Today we're going to be talking about the magic pills for fat loss that no one is talking about. All right, number one, we've got an avocado here, and the reason for this is because I want you to prioritize nutrient-dense food. What I mean here is fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, eggs, even fruit. People will tell you fruit makes you fat. Look, fruit is extremely nutrient-dense. It's high in fiber, micronutrients, also water. Make sure that 80% of your nutrition is coming from nutrient-dense whole foods, and then 20% is coming from foods that you actually enjoy. Like a Reese's Big Cup with potato chips in it. Ooh, I haven't tried this yet. I'm gonna try it. All right, number two, we've got sleep. Yes, a little bit. I know, it's a terrible drawing. Look, sleep. Why? Because sleep, important for hunger hormones. It's important for your energy levels. It helps regulate your NEAT, which is non-exercise activity thermogenesis, which I'll get into next. Sleep is going to impact your decisions that you make throughout the day. Whether you're gonna talk yourself into going to the gym or not, talk yourself into getting those steps in, whether you're going to make good food choices, this all comes down to your sleep, and sleep impacts all of this stuff on a major scale. So prioritizing your sleep is super, super, super important. 7 to 9 hours per night will get you right. All right, number three is walking, or NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. The reason why walking is such a great exercise is the best exercise in the world. Almost anyone can do it. So let's prioritize walking throughout our day. Take a 30-minute break out of your day. It doesn't take much time. Go on a walk, get outside, get some steps in. Make sure that we're prioritizing that. You can use a Fitbit or activity tracker if you want to, or you can just use the step tracker on your phone. If you're getting 4,000 steps per day right now, maybe try and get 5,000 steps next week, and then the week after that, try and get 6,000 steps. It doesn't have to be 10,000, but if you can get close to 10,000, that's extremely good. Number four is water. All right, now before you get into how much water, Jeff, and I heard I'm supposed to be drinking half my body weight in ounces, and this person says I should be drinking a gallon of water a day. It doesn't fucking matter. Listen, just drink when you're thirsty. Try to get in like 3 bottles like this every single day, and you don't have to fucking go buy a hydro flask or thermal flask or whatever. The reason why I bought this water bottle is because it has a little straw bit to it, and it's really easy to track my water throughout the day. And anytime I look at this thing, it makes me want to drink water out of it. So maybe investing in a nice water bottle might be a good idea for you. All right, number 5, protein. All right, now protein is an absolute game changer. I cannot talk about protein enough. It has the highest thermic effect of food, which means that we only absorb about 70 to 80% of the calories from it. It helps you retain and build muscle in a calorie deficit depending on your training age. Eating a high protein diet will help you retain muscle in a calorie deficit. It's also the most satiating macronutrient, which means that it's going to help keep you full in your calorie deficit. Eat plenty of protein. How much protein, Jeff? Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of goal body weight. If you don't know your goal body weight, just pick a weight that you would be at your absolute leanest and go with that. All right, number 6 is, I left it blank because I didn't know what to draw for patience. I could have drawn like a hospital symbol, I guess. That would have been kind of cool. On this journey, you are going to be 2 weeks into your calorie deficit and DM me and be like, Jeff, I'm not getting any results and I've been at a calorie deficit for, 48 hours or 2 weeks or 2 months. It doesn't fucking matter. Just be patient and keep going. The scale is going to fluctuate. It's going to go up and down and up and down. It's going to drive you fucking crazy unless you get a good grip on this whole patience thing. The timeline that you set for fat loss and how long this whole process is going to take, I don't care if you have to lose 20 pounds or 200 pounds. When you set an end date, that's fucking stupid. Don't do that. You need to be patient on this journey. Half a pound to a pound per week is amazing progress. Don't expect fat loss to be super fast because it took you longer than 6 weeks to gain that weight, so it's going to take you longer than 6 weeks to lose it. If you walk 10 miles into the forest, you have to walk 10 miles to get back out. Next is consistency. I didn't know what to draw for that either. So consistency. What I want you to do is, instead of setting an end date, I want you to create a consistency calendar. With this consistency calendar, you're going to mark every day that you hit your protein, your calories, your steps, your workouts, all of the things that you want to set out to do throughout the month. I want you to put an X on every day you complete those things and an O on every day that you fail to complete those things. If you've got 80% consistency throughout the month, at the end of the month, then you have done an amazing job and you will see results. I guarantee it. I guarantee, money back guarantee. Oh wait, you didn't pay any money for this. I guarantee you that you will see results. If you are less than 80% consistency, then you need to work on whatever is holding you back. Maybe your mindset, it may be your self-limiting beliefs, it may be any number of things. I created another video on a fat loss mindset. I think you should go watch that after this. And last but not least on my list is the most important of all. And this is a CD. If you're younger than like 22 right now, you probably don't know what a CD is. Back in my day, we used to play them discs. a CD. I put a CD because CD stands for calorie deficit. Now, if you want all of this to work, you need to be in a calorie deficit. Point blank, bottom line, you need to be in a calorie deficit for all of this to work. If you want to know how many calories to eat in your calorie deficit, you should go check out my calorie calculator. I will link it down below in the description. Go check that out. Without a calorie deficit, no diet is going to work. I don't care if it's keto, intermittent fasting, paleo. The reason why all these diets work is because they create a calorie deficit. They create an easy way for you to create a calorie deficit. That's why all these diets work, and a calorie deficit is simply eating less than your body requires to maintain its current weight. If your body needs 2,500 calories to maintain its current weight and you eat less than that, you're going to lose weight. If you eat more than that, you're going to gain weight, and if you eat the same amount as that, you eat 2,500 calories, you're going to maintain your weight. So hopefully that makes sense. If it did, please scroll down, give this video a big thumbs up, and then leave me a comment. Any questions that you have, I will answer every single comment on this video. And as a bonus, I'm going to be giving away 1 month of free coaching to somebody who comments hashtag Taco Squad down below in the video. You need to like the video, comment hashtag Taco Squad, and I'll be picking somebody from this video or my last video to win 1 month of free coaching with me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time, and stay classy.